Hey everybody, wanted to show you this, something I just got done rebuilding. This is a 1987 Diamondback Hot Streak Mike Dominguez edition. Pretty cool little bike. It was really kind of rough when I got it. Had good bones though, and redid it all. So just kind of showcasing everything I did on here. We went with like a teal and pink color scheme on this, which I think it works pretty good. When I got this bike, those grips were on it, and that's what caught my eye on Marketplace. So decided to keep those and kind of expand on a little bit. This bike is super, super rare. Mike Dominguez had 3 models, and this was the Hot Streak. So this is what it looked like when I got it. Pretty good, solid little bike. Like I said, 1987, so it's up there in age. And decided I wanted to just redo this sucker and bring it back to life. So stripped it down, took all the parts off, took all the stickers off, and then I took it to my buddy Mike, who owns Premium Powder Coating in St. Louis, and he did it up. This is a mermaid candy, so it's a teal, but it shimmers almost like fish scales and gives you like a rainbow color effect. So there's Mike mixing up the powder right there, and this is it going in the booth. And then once he bakes it, when he opens it up, that's when the magic really happens. Powder coating is awesome. It looks like paint, but it's super, super durable. And I want to say it was like $28 in materials to do that bike, which is a lot cheaper than paint is. So it looks really, really good. To see it in person, the photos don't even do it justice, but it looks really good. Mike did a great job. I'll link his business below. If you got a bike you want to powder coat, or he does a lot of motorcycle parts, he does wheels for cars. And once again, here's the finished product. Missing a seat stem and seat, because I realized that I had Mike powder coat the seat stem, and then it wouldn't fit inside the bike. So just going to go with a chrome stem and probably just a white Dominator seat. But got all new decals on there. The paint's not shimmering too much because it's kind of an overcast day, but it really, really sparkles in the sun. Put some decals on, kind of messed that one up a little bit there, but that's all right. And turned out really, really good. Let me know what you guys think of this old school BMX.